What's up, brothers? Very quick update. What is happening right now with Bitcoin? We see a little dump right now, but before I tell you what I'm thinking, what's happening with Bitcoin, I want to show you the video which I did in the morning. I think we should see right now, like we are right now also a little bit see some green candles, a little bit of consolidation or a small pump before we further dumping. This is what I'm thinking because we heavily oversold, right? Yes, and let's go now and watch what since I did this video in the morning, and look how crazy it worked. Exactly out like I told you. We saw this consolidation, a small pump, and right now we have to see, we will see this dump or we will see pump. So in my opinion, let us watch on the 4-hourly, because I think not I think it is, the more you zoom out, the more precise you can be, right, with the technical analysis. So we saw here we see here still we broke out of this bear flag, right? You see here this and this, you measured from the top to the bottom. So now we measured from the breakout. So technically we have to go to 35,600 approximately, right? And if we're breaking right now 38,000 with a clear 4-hourly candle with a clear volume, so in my opinion, this is the next opportunity to short, because at least to 36,500, bros. 36,500 is the next support line for us, right? So be very careful. I would take some profits at 36,500 if we clearly break this 38,000 mark, right? This border. If we break the 38,000, I think there's no new possibility to short to 36,500. But please be very careful, because it could be fake out. Watch that we have enough volume and a clear body 4-hourly candle, which will close under the 38,000, right? So be very careful, watch out, and make the right decision. Long position is then possible, in my opinion, if we break above the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, clearly with 2 4-hourly green candles above the EMA ribbon. Until now, it's still a bear market. How I told you, it's still for me, it's still more better to short than too long, right? So also, if we are watching on Ethereum, what is happening with Ethereum, guys? We saw also in Ethereum a small consolidation, small pump, and right now it seems that we are dumping. We didn't reach until now. We reached our first price target 2,800, but then we further dumped, and the next price target I told is 2,500. So please take your profits before, if you are already in a short position. At 2,500 will be the next support line, right? Because you see here a huge let me take off this. You see here huge support, resistance, support, right? Here support, here resistance, resistance, right? So therefore 2,500, and this is also our price target of this huge rising broadening wedge, which I didn't showed you in my last video, but I show you here. You see a huge, beautiful, we have this beautiful, huge, rising, ascending broadening wedge. And you see the first price target is the bottom of the wedge, and the second is the measurement price target, right? So you see here beautifully, the price target would be 2,500, the bottom of the wedge, and then the next price target, if we break this, 2,100. So what is happening with my positions? I want to show you guys. 1,400 in profit, over 115% in profit, guys. And this is, if you watch the video in the morning, it was over 2,600 or 2,800 in profit. I took some profits, 50% I took profits, how I told you also to take some profits if you're in short position. So we are safe right now, even if we are going up, right? So make a proper stop loss position, so you are also then in profits, right? So, and also on Bybit is the second one. I also here took some profits. We are right now 48% in profit, $600 in profits, USDT in profit. I took here also over 50% profits. So this is very nice and makes me very happy. And also your comments makes me very happy, guys. Here Victor wrote, Slavik, I heard you yesterday, and after my analysis and your video, I decided to make a trade. Thanks for 30% return. Keep going, bro. Best regards from Poland. Very, very nice. And I'm really happy to hear it after how he told after my analysis. So I heard you yesterday and after my analysis. So this is very important, guys. This is also what I telling you. You can take me watching as an opinion, yes, as an opinion, not a financial advice. It's what I'm doing, and then make your own research and calculate your own risk, and after it go in a trade, right? Very important to make your own decision, make your own calculation, and decide with your own risk management. Very important. If you don't do it, you will lose all your money. Don't just copy my trades. You can watch what I'm doing, and then after it make your own analysis, make your own decisions, and then make your trade. Don't shift your responsibility to other people, not to me and not to anyone, right? So this is one comment from our community which I very liked. And the second one is Dominic Müller wrote, love your videos, thanks for helping. You help me secure so much money instead of losing. Very nice. I love it to hear it. And guys, if you want also to trade 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit, 1 minute registration, you can claim it. If you're not professional trader, you can also claim 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit on Bybit and Phoenix, 1 minute registration. Then if you're not professional, just claim it and buy through spot, right? Also, if you're registered already on Bybit and Phoenix and want to support me or also want to claim this bonus 8,200, just click on the link down below. It's the first comment which is pinned, and then you can claim your bonus at 8,200 after initial deposit. Very important, after initial deposit, guys. Link down below. So right now, very important for us, guys. Let's go back to the Ethereum. We will reach only this price target of 2,500, at least 2,500, if Bitcoin further dumping, right? Right now, we see also this dump is happening right now. Wow, it's crazy. We see this candle, but we see no volume right now. So be very careful. We have to see more volume. I want to see more volume. It's very important. So, but we only reach 2,500, our next price target, if Bitcoin further dumps, because what Bitcoin do, all the altcoins also going the same way. So if Bitcoin dumps, every altcoin dumps. If Bitcoin pumps, every altcoin pumps. So please be very careful. We have to see, will we break 38,000? Then with the clear volume, you see there's no volume. If we break 38,000 with the clear volume, I think this is the next short position to at least 36,500, right? 36,500. So it would be, let me check, at 38,000. If we go 36,500, so it's at least 3.8% on 10x average, it's 38%, on 5x average is approximately 13%, which you can make profits. Don't forget 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit. Claim on Bybit and Phoenix. This is where I'm also trading. You can claim it if you want. If don't want to claim your bonus and want another exchange, doesn't matter. You can do it, guys. So this is what I am right now watching for, and very important. Tonight will be very important for us, because usually what happens, we see something big happening on during weekend, like a pump or dump, right? And on Monday we see another big volatility, either again a pump or a dump, right? So usually on Monday we see a huge volatility. Why? Because all the stock markets, all the institution opening and pumping or dumping the crypto price, right? But very important, I was wrong 2 days ago. I told you that we have to watch Monday because of the stock market. What will stock market do? But some of you wrote me also that that US have a holiday on Monday, so stock market will close. But be very careful, because in Asia the market in the night will open. This is also the reason why if you don't make proper stop loss positions or take profit position, that you lose money while you're sleeping. Because like today and on Sunday, I don't know which time zone you are, by the way, write it down below. While you are sleeping, for example, today will the Asia market open, and if the Asia market will open, they could, I don't know, you also don't know, nobody knows, they could pump or dump the price. So be very careful. If you're watching right now the video and you are right now in a trade, or you decide to jump in a trade, make proper stop losses and take profits. So because it could be that we see huge pump which you cannot imagine. If you don't set your stop loss position, you will lose your position. If we see a huge dump and you didn't take profits. So it could be that we see a huge dump during the night and then a huge pump. So you cannot save your profits. So be very careful. Have this in mind, guys. This is also what I have in mind. I took already some profits, and I did my risk management. Do also your risk management. This is my opinion. I'm not a financial advice. I hope. I will shortly summarize what will happen, in my opinion, if we break 38,000. This is a huge support line for us, and we retested it sometimes. The more we retest, the more likely it will break, right? And if we break it with a clear candle, the candle looks beautiful right now. If it will go further down, but we need more volume. If we break 38,000, there's a new short opportunity, in my opinion, that we can go to 36,500 at least. This is the next support line, right? So this is in my opinion, but you see, we have to have more volume. If this happens, then we see also, if Bitcoin dumps, then we will see also Ethereum dumping. You see, if Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum do the same, then we will see, in my opinion, Ethereum at least at 2,000, just around 2,500. This is our next price target, 2,500. So this is, let me measure it. This is another, from here, if we measure it to 2,500, so another 3.2%. It's on 10x leverage 32%, or on 5x leverage 15%, right? So link down below, 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit, 1 minute registration. The first link, which is pinned, guys. I hope I could help you. I know I brought very valuable information to you, and if you appreciate it, hit the like button, subscribe, guys, and write me your opinions on all of this, on what you do, or if you make some profits. Write it. It's very interesting, and it's very nice to read it, you know. I love it. So guys, I will fly morgen again back to Dubai, because I am working right now on some crypto projects, which I will tell you. You will be the first which will know about it. And yes, so guys, I kiss you. Don't forget 8,200 in bonus, link down below. I kiss you, and I see you tomorrow. Mwah!